This is going to be stir-fried vegetables with pork. That's why there are a lot of vegetables in there. And maybe I should turn this to get a better view this way. This is what's time consuming. Just cutting everything up. So look at this. And the amounts are in the description part of the recipe. And that's it. I don't have one of those big nice woks like they use in the Chinese restaurants. I'll get one day. And this is the pork cut from a pork loin, no fat, no bones, and marinated in soy sauce for about 4 hours. It is now draining. All of this is going into this one saute pan, very hot, with grapeseed oil. To make it easy, just one shot, everything together. And then we're going to add the rest of the ingredients as we go. So let me get started. If it tastes good, that means it was done right. People might disagree with my methods. That's okay. Anyway, you see the smoke? That's very hot. There are many different. I chose these vegetables because these are the ones that I like. Then after this cooks a little bit, it won't take long at all. Then I'm going to toss in either chicken stock, there's the salt and pepper, either chicken stock or water or beef stock or any kind of stock that you like. Keep this flame super high, and as long as you hear that sound, you're doing okay. Once it stops, that means we're not really sauteing much. And I'll be putting in the stock or water, vegetable stock, and then I will toss in the cornstarch. You don't have to use cornstarch, but it will be watery on the plate. And this pork does not take much time to cook at all. It's so thin. Still getting that good sound out of it because the flame is rather high. Many ways of doing this. Just trying to make this easier for everybody by putting everything in the pan in one shot. I'm going to be serving this with sticky rice. And I think I'll throw in a drop of, this is not on the recipe, because some people don't like it, I like it. Sriracha hot chili sauce. Not too hot, because I'm not the only one that's going to be eating this. Okay, we are getting close to the point where the stock or water, first we put in the hoisin with soy sauce, rinse it with the stock. You don't want to waste any. good. And when this is still making noise, that's a good sound. When it is completely done and ready to serve, then I'll add a little bit of sesame oil to taste, because you can't cook with sesame oil. It loses the flavor. You could use peanut oil, but I chose the grapeseed this time because when I went shopping, the little Asian place that I went to didn't have any peanut oil. I like the flavor of peanut oil. Now we're going to add the cornstarch. Sometimes I add this with. I make a little slurry of water and cornstarch, but you know what? It'll work this way. I don't want it thick, I just want it a little bit of body. And I didn't put any sugar in this because I don't want sugar. But you can, because it's in most recipes. Now if you see what's in there, you'll notice that it's not watery. It has a little body to it. And that's what we want. So we are just about done. I didn't shut the film off at all, so you have the timing that it took to cook this. So if you follow this exact timing, it'll come out like so. See? Dripping a little. Shut this off. Add the roasted black sesame seeds. That's a good sesame oil I'm using too. If you don't have roasted black sesame seeds, get it for color. You can just buy regular sesame seeds and toast them first. Look how nice that looks. I'll get a plate and we shall put some rice on there. I should have had my big spoon ready. So let me shut this off for a minute. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la.